Hey, good morning, STEM architecture students and whoever else is listening to this. I'm going to walk you through a couple of the basic things to get your floor planner bedroom started. And then in the next videos to follow, I'll go over some more of the details for you. So the first thing is when you go to the website, you need to click free sign up. When you do that, it'll give you the option to sign up using Google. That is what you want to do. You're going to choose your Google account, choose your school one, and then you're going to go to Create Project. Okay, give it the name Bedroom. Okay, you don't need to answer the other stuff, and then just hit Create. Okay, and how do you want to start? You're just going to use Room Wizard, and it'll kind of walk you through. So your basic room shape you can do, and you can always move the walls later. Or you can just hit Next, and then you can move your dimensions for your room. So let's say my room is 12 by 22. And then your ceiling height, you guys should have measured that. You can adjust that as well. You can also type it in too if you want to get an exact measurement. Okay, this is a bedroom. And you can choose a style that matches you best. You can always change it later too. Okay? And then hit start. Now that's one way to do that. Okay? Is to do kind of the shortcut method, and then you can adjust the walls later if they are like crooked or different ways like that. Okay? Now, if I wanted to go a different method, I'm going to go Create Project, Bedroom. I'm just going to call this Bedroom 2 now. Create Project. And I'm just going to do Empty Plan. Now you've got all these tools up top here where you can draw your room. Okay, you can choose your wall height. Okay, and then you will actually draw your room. So I'm going to draw my wall here. And you can see the measurements down at the bottom. So I just drew my room. And there should be two different ways that you can draw it. Again, I've used this here and there a little bit. There should be a way you can just draw it by lines. Draw wall. So if you just do draw wall, you can actually draw if you have a different shaped room. Okay, maybe your room goes kind of differently. You can just draw the walls. Okay? And if you go to your 3D camera, now you can see your 3D walls. Now, just like we did in SketchUp, if you have a mouse that you're using for this, and you hold the button down on the mouse, okay, it'll take you around your room, and then it'll just keep zooming in when you're in your 3D view, okay? All right. Then you want to go. You can also mess with the camera settings too. If you click 2D, it takes us back to our 2D drawing. Now you can always mess with the walls afterwards. If you click on them, you can see the different walls here. You can also change the thickness or the length of it as well. And you can also cut it off too and add other walls coming in. Okay, like your closet. That's a good example of one. Okay, make sure you hit save, and then stay tuned for the next videos, how to add furniture, how to change colors of things, and whatnot.